Okay, good morning everybody. Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments for Tuesday, June 20th. Solstice Day, longest day of the year or the shortest day of the year, however you want to go look at it. The days are going to start getting shorter. So here we are moving rapidly through the growing season per se. We did find out that there's probably around two subjects to talk about right now. The overnight trade, we find out where the spring wheat took another jump on the upside yesterday and/or in the overnight trade, with the crop ratings for the spring wheat coming on down again. The winter wheat also went down one as well, so we're continuing to see a little bit of buying interest coming into the winter wheats and/or the spring wheat market as a whole. Also saw where the Euronext was also seeing firmer prices as well on the heels of the fact that the European wheat crop is looking a little bit dicey. So anyway, we got that as far as the subject matter going on as well. But I think that what we're really doing in here is also part number two in here. We saw where the corn ratings, let me backtrack in here. The corn ratings were unchanged pretty much for the week. The bean ratings went on up a little bit, so we're not seeing any type of problem with them at this point in time. But I really think that what we're really doing in here as far as price direction goes is the fact that we're working our way into the end of the quarter, we're working our way into the end of the month. We're coming up to some important USDA reports, that being the quarterly stocks and/or the acreage numbers. And we're also coming up with option expiration coming up on Friday. And with that, we've seen where the trade has been net short pretty much across the whole floor. So I think some of the price appreciation that we've been seeing in here is in people evening up positions. I thought it was interesting to go and see that after yesterday's corn market and us being down around 9 cents, that the open interest is pretty much unchanged. We'll see if that doesn't change, however, going forward as far as it being a preliminary number. But overall, I'd have to say that the weather forecasts still seem to be somewhat conducive. The crop ratings are holding their own for the corn and the beans. The trade is still net short. They're not getting out of their positions. I think we're out there doing mechanical stuff more than anything fundamentally. Still seems like the trading balances are non-bullish at this point in time. It is interesting, however, and I'll just throw this out there as well, as it being summer solstice, the overnight weather maps from NOAA come on out, and there's a big blue all over the Midwest as far as we're going to have an early frost already in the middle of June, but that's just hypothetical. But just keeping an eye on the weather, and once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.